Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to activate test mode using the Colorlight Universe series video splicing processor's web interface. First, click More and select Test Pattern. Then click this button to enable test pattern. You can choose from various basic test patterns, such as pure red, pure green, pure blue, pure white, and more. There's also a custom, where you can fine-tune the colors. In advanced mode, you can adjust the levels of red, green, and blue individually using sliders, or manually input specific values. You can also enable link button to adjust all three colors together. And that's it. The test mode setup demonstration is complete. Thanks for your watching.